Well, alright matters. As you can hear probably, it is raining. And we're meant to get lots of it. So I've come to this field. On this old site here. Just got dropped off. Set the tent and tarp up to get out this rain. Thing is, it's warm. So, sweating. I've got the loud pooch head, haven't we, Bobby? Yes. Oh, I know we're doing it all again, Bobby. I've got to put it in 4K. So you're just sitting there thinking, what's going on? She's off the lie down. It is pretty heavy. It's very mud as well. I don't know if you can be able to do on there, but well, I've just been, I've got him out in the tent. If it does lay off and I do get a chance to go to the shop, I will go see if I can get some logs. But for now, I'm going to just sit here. I'm going to chill because it's warm, I'm dry. That's all I need to be. Listen to this beautiful old rain. Getting itchy. Suffer with skin problems and just all this moisture and humid air. Like I say, I'm out here tonight. We're gonna make some food, listen to the rain all night. If I do get a chance to get to the shop and get some wood, I will. If I don't, I don't. There's no point in getting absolutely drenched for the I can't remember what the weather forecast is, so I don't know if it's going to pay down or... Well, I know it's going to pay down most of the night. I'll find my phone, I'll find out. In the different pocket still, probably. Always looking for something. Tell you what, where's my watcher? Find my phone. Turns out I'm sitting on it. So let's have a look if the wood's on the cards or not. No. No. Heavy rain from now till midnight. No wind, just rain. So it's going to get a lot more soggy than this. There's now a warning for rain that wasn't here before. And unfortunately I am in this warning, so yellow warning. So it's going to stay like this all night. There's nothing I can do. I'm here for the night. I get picked up first thing in the morning. So I've got my driving lesson. I'm going to get back. So for now, I'm going to listen to this rain, I'm going to get my airbed up, I'm just going to chill, there's nothing else I can do. Well, that's Sunday, oh, sorry about camera. Sunday to be taking you down for a walk. It's warm, it's just a bit of water. If I can go and get some logs just very soon. Oh, I'm not very good on this, I'm on my phone here. I forgot the batteries to my GoPro. But the GoPro doesn't zoom in, it's not in 4K. So I'm probably going to use the phone for it. I forgot my tripod for my phone. One of them things. Am I going on? Huh? This. Oh, I'm zooming in, Bobby. Peekaboo! He is. But it's going to be a good old day, good old night. It's going to be wet. I will fire me poncho and go to the shop. I think that's what I'll do. That woman's looking at me, maybe you can hear us talking to myself. But I'm not, I'm talking to you. And I'm grateful for everyone that follows and watches us. You might as well enjoy the rain with us. So you better zoom in. Oh, oh. Woman standing in rain. Tree! Grass. Focus! Oh, well, I don't know. Right. That is how I've set up an eater science. Nope, it's turning into mud. I need to pull that tighter, I think. I'm gonna make a. Oh, yeah, I forgot about this header van there. I don't have the hay for it, like, but I know as soon as it is, so I'm gonna rub his water. I'm gonna go to the shop now. I'm gonna rub a water bottle to look at the state of this. Oh my god. I think I've camped in the wrong bit. What an over 8 hours. What time is it now? It's only 1:45. What? Oh. And it's not going to stop till midnight. I've got another 10 hours of rain nearly. 8 hours of rain. Look at this. Oh no. Let's go Bobby Nate. We'll find out tip morning. We'll find out tonight. Hey Bobby. Come on. Oh, it's a wet Jan. Stop. Hold on then. What a spot. High Pike's just over there. I forgot my phone. I know, I'm gonna have to go back on it probably. I think that's how. Oh my god. Should have probably been the better option. Oh no. When you haven't done your homework properly, one apple. I never wonder. I don't. It is movable, and that's one thing. It's a free tent or bar sheep. This time seems a bit drier like. Should have kept pitched on this side. Oh. I don't think it makes a difference. The ground's now saturated. Well, he's on a slope downwards. It's not like it can flood. It's just going to get muddy. Well, it's one of them. Here's his rain again. Calm down, I should have got to the shop, but instead of talking about how wet it is. That's a worst bit here. Right where I am. Oh well. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna get my phone. Make a plan of go to the shop. I'll bring you back. Time for the wet old walk, puppy. Yeah. Well, let's see if we can get some logs. We'll get a fire going and we'll chill. Hey, good old British weather. Getting prepared for winter. Get out now, test the gear. Raining, puppy. Lovely little village. This way around the flowers. Oh. Old crown. King Charles has visited this pub. What do you want to do here? Here, Bobby. One hell of a tree. Let's not mention trees, someone will quick down. Alright. It is, isn't it? Oh, sorry. At the blue house, at the middle of the road, literally. 2 roads. Well, I made it back with firewood. It's got a lot worse. I'm sweating because it's humid. So I'm going to now just have to chill and have a can. I've got water, got wood, and I've got a swamp. I don't know what I can do about that track where I've been when I've sorted the tent. We're in for a... Don't know why I'm showing you side 10. Yeah, so I'm just trying to think, there's nothing I can do. The rain's serious here. Nothing I can do. I should have been on the other side, but it's a bit late now. It's torrential rain and fire's gone, so it's starting to go. So I'm sweating. I'm gonna chill. And what else can I do? But at least I'm sorted with me firewood. I'll show you some videos of the fire today. It's got about 2 sacks of logs and a sack of kindling. Then I'll run the wet floor outside, but we'll have to see what happens. So it's only oh, never even got there, but 10 to 3. So 9 hours of this. There's some people down there in a camper, family. I wouldn't want to drive and try to drive that off this field. It is soaking. If it starts puddling, I'll just make a little, I've got a shovel, so I'll make a little drain out on the side, and that's all I can really do. Just pat the grass down to make a run off, and hopefully it works. Sweating, so humid, humid. Good thing about having a tarp though, it gives you that extra bit of room. But when it's flooded, and you can sit with the door open and enjoy the view. But when it's this wet, the water just runs underneath. Feel like we're sat in a channel. Like I said, I had to get a spade and my last swivel and flash it down to make a little run off. So it's on the run to light, it's just as bad everywhere. Good morning. Well, finally stopped raining. Fire's on. Stocked right up. Not going to drain that out like, but sheep. Trying to be a wet one. See, there's a family down there. So, power's on. There's the last rain. Must be, well, my bike's just over there. Oh, well, such a nice night. Not. I do like the bad weather. This should hopefully go up. Stocked it up. I'll let it burn. There's a baby jacket tape. There's a baby jacket tape. Oh. Half of them for now. Don't break them over there. Morning, mothers. Oh, that's one. Let me try that again. Dying off already. Actually, I'm gonna call. Taps fell down overnight. I didn't have it tied over the middle because of the way it was sat. I was hoping it was gonna just sit on the top, but seemed to have fell down overnight. But oh well, that's life, innit? Yeah, Papa, it's life. Yeah. Here's the but good night. It was a good night apart from nearly setting my tent on fire. No, all I need to do is make a coffee really. Once I've made a coffee, I need to get out of here, but the tap's there. Once I've made a coffee, I just need to get the airbed down and the tent down. What time's it now? Up till 9 o'clock. I've got an hour. I think I can get a coffee made and tent down in an hour. And the airbed put away. Johnny, here's the airbed in the shade. Chinese foil. I have to put the sleeping bag away. Like I say, this was up there over that. I don't know if you could see. I'm gonna have to do something so I can get out. So I need a slash and a coffee. I'll bring it back in a minute. I think I moved it enough time to get out. bit muddy under there. Rubbish bag there. That's just the bags come with us. We welly boot. So I'm gonna get up, I'm gonna make a coffee, I'll bring you. Morning, is it morning? Oh, come here. No, come up here. It's not for aid. Oh, camera's going on. Come here. I can see you. Puppy. Good girl. Round here so I can see you. Yes. Yes, hey puppy. No. Well, that's it, like, it's a beautiful old morning.
Pitted.
Absolutely covered in mud. So no, it's unexpectedly less with that weather. Fucking ground sopping. Tent soaking inside. So I'm just gonna, all I need to do now is drop it down and wait to get picked up. Got a lot of cleaning to do, I don't know, I've nearly set my tent on fire. There's my hole, look. There's my hole. I'll have to try and fix that. But I've near enough got it all down. It's me, what did they expect? Stuff always goes wrong. Always goes wrong. So get ready for more wrongdoings. So yeah, I'm gonna get this tent down. That's all I need to do and then wait, because I'm absolutely pitted. Adios.